Unlock the full potential of your Nikon Z50 by seamlessly integrating it with Adobe Lightroom. Today, we're diving into how to connect your Nikon Z50 directly to Lightroom, transforming your workflow from capture to stunning edit. First, ensure your Nikon Z50 is powered on and fully charged. Then, using a compatible USB cable, connect your camera to your computer. Once connected, open Adobe Lightroom Classic. In Lightroom, navigate to the Import module, usually found in the bottom left corner. You should see your Nikon Z50 listed as a source device. Click on it. Lightroom will now scan your camera for photos and videos. You'll see a preview of all the images now. You have several options for how you want to import. Under File Handling, you can choose to copy as DNG. This converts your Nikon's NEF files into Adobe's digital negative format, ensuring universal compatibility and potentially faster performance. Alternatively, you can simply copy the original files. I highly recommend using the Rename Files option to give your photos consistent and descriptive names right from the start. You can create custom naming templates here to organize your shots more efficiently. The Apply During Import panel is incredibly powerful here. You can apply existing developed presets to your photos as they come in, add copyright information and keywords, and even select a destination folder for your imported images. Review your chosen import settings, select the photos you want to bring into your catalog, and then click the Import button. Lightroom will now transfer your files directly from your Nikon Z50 to your computer, ready for your creative touch. And just like that, your Nikon Z50 is connected, and your images are ready to be organized, edited, and enhanced with Lightroom's powerful tools. Happy shooting and happy editing.